Howdy, partners. Today I'm playing Western, and I'm in the Wild West. Woo! And the reason I'm speaking in the Texas Western voice is because I'm in the Wild West. Woo! And I'm also in a cowboy voice, partners. And partners, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe so we can get the show on the road. Woo! So the train is like faster than the default speed. So we're gonna try and go slower on turns, partners. Woo! Oh no, looks like we have a problem, partners. We're gonna have to try and reverse, partners. We're stuck. Oh no. and we've got a sheriff. So if one is not speaking in this Western voice, we'll be sent to the sheriff. And we might go to jail. Regenerating. Here we go. Woo! We have a problem, partners, once again. Hang on, I need to talk to the sheriff. Oh wait, I can't. Oh, never mind. Why am I trying to go into the jail? I've done nothing wrong. Howdy, Sheriff. What do you need? Actually, what do you need from me? Oh, yay. Well, partner, are you speaking your Western voice? I know it's a pretty strict rule, but you gotta do it, partner. Woo! Yes, I'm following the law. Okay, you're free to go. Okay, goodbye, Sheriff. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna go in the store first. See what's in stock for me. Howdy, partner. Howdy. Could I get Get out, partner, before I send you to the sheriff. Will do, partner. Sorry, guys. The store owner kind of hates his job. Guess he didn't want a job application. But they forced him to, because we have a pretty strict town. And I got a job as a train driver. And I don't hate the job. But if I hate my job, then I don't take it out on other people. I mean, partners. So, yeah. You have to go slow as possible. Because you know what they say. Slow and steady partners always win the race. My sidewalks get a bit messed up on the journey. Well, woo! I speak like tomato, but without the t. You know what? I'm gonna actually crash. Woo! And you crashed the train. I'm sorry, Sheriff. Sorry's not gonna cut it. You're going to jail. You're going downtown. Oh, Texas. Now you stay in here, partner, until I say you can come out. Oh man. Womp, womp, womp. Did I really just speak like that for the entire video?